3, 2, 1, go. Look out, look out! Oh gosh! Oh no! Hit, oh my gosh! Respawn. Alright, make sure he doesn't do that again. Look out, look out, look out! Oh gosh! Hit!
Yes!
Oh my gosh.
That was awesome!
3, 2, 1, go! Haha, got him!
That was awesome.
Oh my gosh! Ah!
It's not working. I think what's wrong with it. I think you did hit me, but it wasn't working. Oh, there we go.
That's working.
It was jammed.
Alright, shoot, cover me. I gotta reload.
Respawn. Ah! Oh my god, there you go!
Help! Get him! Oh my gosh! Hit! Oh man! Oh, you have 1 life left?
Yeah.
Oh, son of a... Oh.
Respawn. What's he doing?
Go, go, go. I wanted to get there, but I didn't want to risk it. Alright, respawn. Oh my gosh, help! Help! Aha, got him!
Yes. No, I think it was Jude.
I know I got you in your leg.
Oh, maybe I don't know.
Did you get him too?
I don't think so.
Oh.
But I was just saying yes because you know.
Right, yeah.
Okay, let's do that again.
3, 2, 1, go!
I'll take this one.
Oh my gosh, I knew you were gonna do that. And the battery is not charged, so it's not shooting as fast.
I might have got hit, but I'm pretty sure it was Rick.
It's kind of hard to tell. Yes. I guess I do have a life to spare. Oh my gosh.
Hold your position while you don't
Ah! I think you got my sleeve.
I think I got hit.
Alright, I got hit too, I'll just call it.
Alright, I'm dead.
Okay.
You're good. Oh, I don't know.
Respawn.
I'm good. You sure you don't want this? That's not bad. Terrifying. No! Shh. I don't know where he is. I see your shadow, dude.
I hear your voice. It wasn't loaded.
I don't like this.
hit you way before you hit me.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh shoot, I gotta go. I think I got hit too.
Oh, man.
You're like, yes. Oh man.
Oh, yes.
He's not out. What are you doing?
I thought it was like jammed good.
Hey, no, you just have to shake it. Respawn. Oh, that was a sniper shot. Oh, yes.
Wait, was that a ricochet?
No, that was a shot. I had to curve it around the fridge.
Okay, you get one extra life because we want more.
Yeah. Oh, I hit the gun.
Oh, yeah, respawn.
I was standing right here and I had to curve it around the fridge. That was awesome. Whoa!
I got you.
I got you too.
I think you got my luck, but I got you first.
That was not first. I think I got you first, if anything.
Well, whatever. We're both dead.
Yeah.
Okay, shoot. I'm dead.
All right. Let's see how this looks. Okay, I'm ready.
Are you gonna fire at me?
No? Wow.
That was bad.
Nothing hit me. Everything went over there. Oh my gosh.
Hey, no, fire.
3, 2, 1, go.
Turn around. Here's him. Oh, hit. Did I get you? Jude. No. Okay. Who's on?
Yeah! Woo!
Got you.
No, I got him.
No, I got
I
him.
think we both got him. I know I got him.